This is Nokia 9 PureView, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. If you do not have it, just download it from the Google Play Store for free. Then tap at this plus icon, choose the scan option, allow Google Drive to have an access to camera, then take your document and capture a photo of it. Now let's continue. At the following menu you can edit your scan by framing the part of the original raw photo that you would like to actually made it to the final scan we are about to create, or file, whatever. Then you can also change its color scheme. Once you're ready to save it, hit this check icon, check mark, whatever. Then you can make some final adjustments, such as renaming the document, changing Google account or folder, drive it will be saved to, then finally save it. Wait a few seconds for it to be uploaded to Google Drive. And here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.